Hi guys, it's Jody from An Eye for Beauty. Today is Sunday, June 30th, 2024. This is our weekly energy reading, checking in to see how everyone is doing, what is going on in your lives, and what guidance you might need for your best and highest good. We're tuning into the guardian angels today, and I'm not doing a pick a card. I'm just going to pull a couple of cards from this deck. I know that a lot of you have been experiencing a lot of aches and pains or a lot of fatigue or just not feeling right. And if you're feeling off, it's because your body is trying to acclimate to what is going on with the light entering the universe. And so when it's coming in and it's a lot and you still have old patterns, old beliefs, old stagnant energy in your energetic body, in your energy field, it really is just trying, that density is so heavy that it's really just trying to clear out. And it's not something you can touch. It's not something that is tangible that we can really discuss. It's really more about how you feel. And that's what we've been doing for a very long time, learning how to tune into what we are feeling. And oftentimes the feeling doesn't feel good, it's challenging, it's uncomfortable, and we want to walk away. But that's part of the evolution that we are having here. And so on this earth as human beings. And so it's very important to know that you're doing the best that you can. Don't be hard on yourself and don't judge yourself. Your body might feel achy, pain, a lot of pain going on. It's totally normal. Obviously, if it's continuing on and on and on, go see a doctor. But if it's something you're like, what is going on? All of a sudden I have these aches, I have these pains, I have this heaviness, I have this constant, just like a dull feeling, or I'm fatigued. It's normal, okay? Let it play out. Give yourself time. Don't jump to the conclusion that something is wrong with you. If it consistently goes on and on and on, then of course go see a doctor. But you have to also understand, and doctors don't obviously talk about this, it's not just about your physical body, it's about the emotional body, it's about the energetic body, and it's your mental state, your mental capacity. And your mind is so powerful that if you're in your head so much with your thoughts and what's going on inside there, it is going to cause physical pain in the body, dis-ease. All of this today, I want you to just realize, is helping you to balance out your body, physical, mental, spiritual, and emotional. It is so important to take care of your energetic body. The time has come on this earth for us to realize, and I know I sound like a broken record, and I'm not apologizing for it, because it's a fact that we need to realize that our energetic body is just as important as our physical, as our emotional, as our mental. When you have physical stuff, you go to the medical doctor. When you have mental stuff, you go to therapy, you go to psychiatry. When you have emotional stuff, sometimes you do that too. But the piece that so many people forget is the energetic, the spiritual body. And you don't have to go to anyone per se, but yes, healing is very important. Clearing your chakras and your energy system is important. If it's not something you want to go and see a healer, perhaps you learn how to heal yourself. But you have to remember that you also have an energetic body, spiritual body that has to be taken care of. So with that, we're not doing the 3 cards, but we are just going to ask our guardian angels collectively, what do we need to know? I'm keeping this one short today. I know that a lot of people are feeling this intense energy, and I just want you to realize that all is okay. It's just that, and this is the card that's coming up, you're working too hard. The angels are asking you to find a healthy balance between what is going on in your work life, and work could be you're retired, but you don't stop taking care of the house, okay? Or you are doing something so much all the time. And so the angels are asking you to find a healthy balance between your career and your personal life. Be willing to ask for help from others in order to lighten your load so that you can take better care of yourself. Straining to make others happy can be harmful to your health. There is so much in this card that is just continuing what I just shared with you guys. And it is so important right now for you to realize that you are doing the best you can. You have to lighten the density. You have to lighten the denseness of the patterns, the beliefs, how hard you are on yourself. That is energy that pulls you down. The guardian angels are asking you to realize that you need to take better care of yourself. And you have support all around you. And if you don't have the physical human support, you definitely have your guardian angels around you. Pray to them, ask them to help you. And then the first card that came out was this. And this goes with this one. Spend time in nature listening for guidance from your angels and your own inner voice, because overanalyzing the situation won't provide the answers you are seeking. Meditation can be very helpful. And it goes together because, like we just discussed, the mind space can be overpowering. And if you don't take the time to tune in, to clear your energy, to meditate, you don't have to sit in a crisscross position, but sit quietly with yourself. Try to allow the mental chatter to just float away. Even if it comes in, don't be hard on yourself. I notice it, I let it float away. I notice it, I let it float away. Create a mantra instead and focus on that mantra. Some people will stare at a flame of a candle, and putting that focus on the flame helps them to get out of the over-analyzing that is going on in the mind space. This is what's going on for so many right now, so do the best that you can to tune in, and please remember or start to incorporate spiritual, energetic healing along with your physical, your mental, and your emotional. I hope that this message helps you in some way. I am always here to serve you guys virtually or in person, and I wish you a great week. Take care. Happy 4th of July if you're in the United States. Bye-bye.